Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Agri Quiz. Today we will identify different type of disorder of mango. Here is the first one. See the peak and try to identify which type of disorder is it. This is a disorder of mango spongy tissue. What is mango spongy tissue? First, the occurrence of mango spongy tissue in mango in Alphonso variety first reported, then noted in 1932 by Gemma and Dhani. Symptoms of mango spongy tissue. In this disorder, non-edible sour yellow spongy-like patches develop in mesocarp of ripening fruit. The affected fruit tissue is visible only when the fruit is cut. This variety is highly susceptible spongy tissue, Alphonso variety. This is very important question for ICR, JRF, SRF. Then in this, two scientists, Gemma and Dhani, in 1932, they first observed spongy tissue in mango. Causative factor. Several regions have been assigned to this disorder. These regions are high temperature and constant heat and post-harvest exposure to sunlight. This disorder is mainly due to inactivation of ripening enzyme. Then management strategy. This problem can be minimized by harvesting fruit slightly before maturity, and the specific gravity of is around 1.01 to 1.02. There is one type of question is arise from specific gravity. Furthermore, increasing ripening process, specific gravity is increases, and keeping fruit under shade immediately after harvesting. You have to remember these highlighted portion for exam point of view. Then second disorder, identify. This is disorder of mango. Jhumka, this is a disorder of jhumka, or we can also know other name is clustering. Other name of jhumka is clustering. And about clustering, this disorder is this disorder was first observed in UP during 1984. This is very important for exam point of view. And the Dasari variety is more prone to this disorder, or we can say more susceptible to this disorder. Symptom. Jhumka is characterized by good initial fruit set in bunches at the top of the panicle. Such fruitlet catches to grow beyond pea or marble stage and drop without attaining full size. In this peak you can see these fruit cannot attaining fruit causative factor. The main cause of Zumka is absence of sufficient pollination and pollinator in the orchard. This is the main cause of our Zumka, or we can say clustering. Management strategy. In management practice, introduction of beehives in orchard during the flowering season for increasing number of pollinators. And restricting use of insecticide spray at full volume to avoid killing pollinator to help solve this problem. We can't use insecticide or pesticide spray. It also harm to some beneficial insect like honeybee. Decision number 3: identify this disorder. And this is a disorder mango, that is mango jelly seed. In this type of that is mango jelly seed, in this type of disorder, interior of mesocarp affected, that is color of this affected yellow in color is affected area compared to rest of the mesocarp. Causative factor. This disorder is due to the calcium deficiency. This is very important for ICR JRA point of view. And management strategy: application of dolomitic lime, that is 5 ton per hectare per year at the monsoon season to reduce jelly seed. And another we can reduce by harvesting time to not delay, or susceptible variety Tommy Atkin. This is very important. Here identify the disorder. This is the disorder in a floral malformation. Mango malformation. Mango malformation first reported in India, Darbhanga, Bihar in 1891. There are two types of malformation: one vegetative malformation, second floral malformation. Causative factor: it is reported to be caused by Fusarium mandiliforme. And then management strategy: naphthalene acetic acid, there are 200 ppm application in the month of October. in the month of October is very useful for floral malformation or vegetable malformation. Also we can spray Mangiferin Z++ and Mangiferin copper ++ to control malformation. Indian Agricultural Research Institute IARI New Delhi has developed 4 hybrid, that is Pusa Pitambar, Pusa Pratibha, Pusa Shrestha and Pusa Lalima. These Pusa variety are highly resistant to malformation, angle malformation. Then there are some substitute variety, that is Bombay Green and Chausa, and some other resistant variety are Bahaduran, Ilaichi, Manjira and Alif. These are important question for ICR, JRF and SRF, also for NET examination. Identify this disorder. This is a disorder of mango black tip, black tip was first reported by Woodhouse in 1908 from Bihar, India. Symptom: distal end of affected fruit turn black and become hard. These fruit are ripe prematurely and become unmarketable. Here you can see in the picture, this is black spot. Then causative factors. This disorder generally occur in orchard located with a distance of 800 meters from Brooklyn. Generally fume arise from Brooklyn. These fumes are carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and acetylene. These 3 fumes are mainly responsible for black tip. Management strategy: black tip can be minimized by single spray of 1% of borax that at P stage, followed by 2 more spray in interval of 15 days, 1% of borax, that is 10 gram in per liter, applied in P stage, and 2 more stage in 15 days interval. These are main point of black tip. Identify this disorder. This disorder, internal browning necrosis. Let's discuss about internal browning necrosis. This disorder is also known as internal necrosis. Symptoms: it is characterized by browning of fruit pulp while they are still on tree, and the affected fruit drop before reach maturity. Main symptom are browning of pulp. Then causative factors. The incidence of internal necrosis is more prominent in sandy soil. in sandy soil, and also due to boron deficiency in soil. And Langra is the variety free from this disorder. Management strategy: application of borax 50 gram per tree or spray 0.5% at marble stage is very effective control for this disorder. Identify this disorder. This is the leaf scratch. This firstly symptom. This symptom is due to the deficiency of potash, that is potash, and scratching of old leaves at the tip of margin. Affected leaf eventually fall down, leading to reduction of tree vigor and fruit yield. Then causative factor: it is mainly attributed to excessive chloride. It is mainly excessive chloride in the soil or irrigation water, which render the potassium available as a result of potash deficiency in leaves. Management strategy: spraying potassium sulfate 5% on young leaves. And also affected leaf should be collected and buried or burned to remove this type of disorder. These are some important disorder of mango. If it is helpful to you, then like, share and subscribe. Thank you.